Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be diving into a powerful day trading strategy using the Volume Oscillator Indicator. Okay, so if you ever struggled with knowing when momentum is shifting or whether a breakout is real, this strategy is for you. The volume oscillator helps confirm trends, spot reversals, and improve trade timing. It's a must-have tool for any serious day trader. Okay, so stick around because I'll show you how to set it up, how to use it, and how to avoid common mistakes that traders make with volume-based indicators. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading content. Okay, let us get into it. Now, the volume oscillator is a momentum indicator that measures changes in trading volume over time. It calculates the difference between a short-term moving average of volume and a long-term moving average, then expresses that difference as a percentage. We can see these bars here. We can see percentages here. We can see negative percentages. We can see positive percentages above this midline. Okay. Now, why does it matter? When the oscillator is in the positive territory, it means that short-term volume is higher than long-term volume, signaling strong market activity. When it is negative, it suggests volume is drying up, which could mean the trend is losing strength. Now, the key to using this indicator is understanding how volume momentum affects price action. All right, by tracking volume shifts, we can spot breakouts, confirm trends, and even detect possible reversals before they happen. All right, now setting up the volume oscillator on your chart is pretty simple. Okay, let's just go through it step by step. First of all, you have to open your trading platform. Obviously, you're not gonna just add the indicator to your wallpaper. Okay, so once you have opened your trading platform, you just go to the indicator section. Yeah, really easy, and you search for the volume oscillator. All right, and you apply it to your chart. Okay, now if you want to adjust the settings, you can just come here, you go to settings, and well, the default values are good, right? The 5 for short length, the 10 for long length. It's actually good. Okay, but you can tweak these based on your strategy. All right, and then you can customize the colors. You can customize the colors for the indicator, whether you want it to be green, you want it to be whatever color that you wish. Just set the color and yeah, you're good to go. And then that is it for now. Okay, let's just go further to break down how to use this tool in real trading. All right, I'm just going to change this color back. It's too light. Okay, just going to put this. All right, now the volume oscillator is most effective when used to confirm breakouts, trends, and reversal. So here's how to trade with it. First of all, let's talk about breakout confirmation. If the price is breaking a key level, I already plotted important levels on my charts, so you might want to do that as well when using this indicator, so that you can watch out for breakouts and all of that. So if price is breaking a key level, for example, you can see what we had here, breaking from this support below, and then you notice that the volume oscillator is rising. It confirms strong market participation. So there was some significant market participation around here, right? So this is a great time to look for entry signals when price is breaking out of a key level and you notice the rising volume oscillator. And now, with respect to strength analysis, if the market is trending and the volume oscillator is consistently positive, now in this case we can see that we had a sell trend. It's actually a sell trend here, right? Now, it's not like it was consistently positive per se. It was actually navigating within the positive and the negative territories. But in a situation whereby the market is trending and the volume oscillator is consistently positive, it means that the momentum is strong. But if it starts dropping, the trend might be losing steam. Okay? Now, let us talk about spotting reversals. A sharp drop in the volume oscillator while price keeps moving in the same direction can signal weakening momentum and a possible reversal. So you might want to watch for confirmation before acting. Okay, now a pro tip: always combine the volume oscillator with price action. Okay, and support and resistance levels, and also you can combine with other indicators, like the RSI, the moving averages, or whatever indicator that you prefer using, to get confluence, to get confirmations for better accuracy, basically. Okay, now, even though the volume oscillator is a great tool, many traders make these mistakes when using it. They make some mistakes. All right, and one of the mistakes is trading based on volume alone. Okay, it is true that volume can confirm price moves, but it should never be the only factor in your decision making. All right, so you should always check. Sorry about that. So you should always check price structure and key levels. It is important. Check price structure and also check key levels. Okay, it is very necessary. The second mistake is ignoring market context. Now, a rising volume oscillator in a choppy or ranging market does not mean a trend is forming. Okay, so you have to look at the bigger picture. All right, ensure that you look at the bigger picture. And the third mistake is overcomplicating the settings. Now, it is true that you might want to modify a couple of things here, but it might not always be necessary. Okay, if your strategy does not require a specific kind of setting, it is fine to use the default settings. Okay, you can just stick to the default settings. Okay, unless you have tested a better combination through back testing. All right, and there you have it, the volume oscillator day trading strategy. This tool is perfect for traders who want to enhance their market timing and confirm momentum shifts before placing trades. So what do you think? Have you used the volume oscillator in your trading? Drop a comment below and let us discuss. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any future trading strategies. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.